How to connect Shopify with Amazon. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to give you a tutorial of how you can connect your Shopify with your Amazon account and how you can directly put your items and share your items from your Amazon to your Shopify and sell them on Shopify if you have a drop shipping store or however you want to use it. So let's get into the video. So first of all, you obviously need a shop on Shopify. So for that you just have to sign in, give in your email, add some shop specifications, what kind of business you are in, what you're doing, and etc. And after you're done with everything, this will be something like your homepage when you are just getting started on Shopify. So this is my homepage and this is a very new account that I've just made. So this is what it looks like. So when you are basically looking forward to connect your Amazon with your Shopify, what you need to do is you have to get an Amazon Associates account. So Amazon has an affiliate program account which is Amazon Associate. So you have to get that associate account in order to directly do affiliate marketing or drop shipping from Amazon to Shopify. So how you can get that, you just have to go on to Amazon Associates, click on sign in if you already have an account, or sign up in case you don't have one. So I'm just going to click on sign up and I'm going to show you how you can create an account in Amazon Associates. It's actually very simple. You just have to add all of the information of yourself that you have to provide, your account information, then you have your website and mobile app list, and you have profile, and start using Associate Central. So these are all the things that you have to provide Amazon Associates. And after that, what you need to do is you have to go on and it will take a day or two for your Amazon Associate account to get registered. And after it is registered, you will receive an email on the designated email account that you have shared, and after that you will get an associate account, and then you can directly dropship your items from Amazon to your Shopify. So this is what you need to do on the Amazon side, but what you need to do in Shopify is, let me tell you that as well. What you need to do is you have to go onto the settings on this right here. Here you are going to see your store details, your plan and billing, and etc. In here you're going to see apps and sales channels. Click on that and open the Shopify App Store from this option right here. This is the App Store of Shopify. What you need to do is you have to search for Amazon right here. Search for Amazon Dropshipping Associates Connector. Whatever you want to search for, just search for Amazon. This is a simple search because it will contain everything that is related to dropshipping or connecting associate as well. So here you can see that there are a lot of channels that are available. There's Amazon by Codisto, CED Commerce, Amazon channel, you have Amazon Importer Spreader app, and you have Codisto, Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. Okay, so Amazon MSC US fulfillment. So these are all the apps that are available that allows you to connect your Amazon with your Shopify. So talking about this one, this is a really good app. It has less bugs, it works good. So I'm just going to go on and download that app onto my Shopify, and then I'm going to show you what is the next step. So you can see that Amazon Importer Spreader app, it imports your products directly from Amazon onto your Shopify store. It basically has a pricing. You can get a 7-day free trial, but the pricing is like $5 per month for the basic version, $10 per month for the pro, and $20 per month for the gold. But it is not too much for a month. Like $5 for a month is almost like very least. So I'm just going to add this app onto my Shopify. Okay, here you can see that this is the app, and I'm going to click on install app. Okay, so this is the simple Amazon store. So I'm just going into dresses, and I'm going to get a product link of a any product. Like for example, this is the bestseller. Let's say I want to import that onto my Shopify. I'm just going to open that. I'm going to copy the link of this. I'm going to paste it into the spreader like this. Paste, and I'm going to click on add product. So I'm just going to wait a second until the Amazon connects to the Shopify. Okay, so here you can see that this is the product that we were talking about. This is the Jessica Women's 2023 Summer Boho Spaghetti Strap Square Neck Solid Color Ruffle A-Line Beach Long Max. So it is the product that I want to add into my Shopify store. I'm just going to click on edit. And if you want to edit your product, you can also do that when you have connected your Shopify and Amazon. For example, I want to edit let's say product description, or I want to edit the pricing of that product. Here you can see that. So I can edit the title. This is too long for a title. I'm just going to add a Summer Boho Zieska Summer Boho Spaghetti Square Neck Spaghetti Strap A-Line Beach Lock. Okay, so beach lock maxi dress, and I'm going to black medium. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut that as well. So here you can see that this is the I have edited the title. Now if you want to edit the description of the dress, you can do that as well. Brand, color, there are some features, size, attention, etc. So these are all the things that you can add. Now if you want to change any one of that, you can go on and edit the whole paragraph. You want to add your own description, go on and add that. You can basically make it the basic edits. You can make it bold, italic, and everything. And if you want to insert a video into the description or an image or any kind of link, you can do that as well. After you have done here, you can see that there is a status. Is it a draft or is it active? Let's say this is then active. This will be an active product. Then you have your publishing, online store, markets is the country that I'm living in right now. So let's say the market is international. Okay, so then you have your insights, and this is the media. So these are all the images that were available for this dress on Amazon. But if you want to add some more pictures, or if you want to add anything else into the media, you can just click on this option right here and you can upload a picture, or you can add from URL. By clicking on this option, you can add a URL from Pinterest, from Google Images, from Shutterstock, or anywhere of the internet. You can just go on and add the URL here, and you'll be able to get the picture of that specific related to that specific URL right here. So after you're done here, you can see that you have product organization, you have product category. It is dress. So I'm just going to see if there is a product category available as dress forms, dresses. Okay, and then you have product type. It's maxi dress, and you have a vendor which is Jessica. The collections is summer, or it is you're going to add it into the home page. If you have a shop, you're going to see all of your collections right here. I don't have a shop right now, that's why it is only showing me home page. But when you'll have a shop, you have to add different kind of collections, and I would prefer adding it into my summer collection. And you have your tags like Jessica and dresses and apparel, and there are other tags you can add as well for SEO purposes. Then you have your theme, default product, and then you have your pricing. Okay, so here you can see that you can add you can change the pricing of the product here as well. For example, right now it is calculated in rupees. It was of $65 on Amazon, and right now in rupees it is 18,627. If you want to change that, you can just go on and change the whole item of the price of the item. Let's say I want to sell it for 20,000 and compare at price. I'm just going to do display markdown, enter value higher than your price, often show with a strike through. Okay, so you can charge tax on this product. You want to charge the tax or not, it is up to you as well. Cost per item, it is going to be let's say I'm going to basically 20,000. Okay, so this is the cost per item, and the profit is not calculated right now, and the margin is also not calculated. But on the when it was 18,000, the profit per item was 2,000 and the margin was 10%. Okay, then you have your inventory stock keeping unit. You can just go on and add that number, barcode, etc. Track quality, shop location, it is available, how many are available on hand, how many are on hand, is it a physical product, the weight of the product, and everything, and variants, and etc. After you are done, you can just click on archive this product or delete this, or you can just go on and save this information from this option right here. So this is basically blocking that, but here you're going to give it an option of saving. Here you can see that this is an option to save. Just click on that, and this product will be saved into your Shopify account. So this is how you can simply add a product from Amazon onto your Shopify store. It can be any product. Like right now I went for this dress. You can add any dress that you want. You can add any apparel, you can add any electronic, whatever you want to add onto your Shopify to Amazon. You can just go on and copy the link, add it into the spreader, and you're going to get that onto your Shopify store. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.